Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm from Emily, and in this video I'll be showing you guys my everyday makeup routine. First, I'm going to start by moisturizing my face with a Stelly Cosmetic face melt. Then I start spraying my Badescu Rosewater facial spray all over my face. Now I'm going to start outlining my eyebrows with the Fenty Concealer 350. And I start blending it with a brush. And of course, I start blending it with my fingers too. I then take my Fit Me foundation by Maybelline in the shade 335 and start spreading it with a brush. After I apply my foundation with the brush, I take a damp beauty blender and start blending my foundation. I'd personally prefer to blend my foundation with a beauty blender because it gives more of a natural look than the brush would. I then use the same concealer that I use for my eyebrows in the shade 350. I'm going to apply this under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, and my chin. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender again and blend in my concealer. Now I'm going to be setting my concealer with the Airspun loose face powder in the shade Honey Beige. Normally you would let your powder to sit and bake, but I personally like to blend it into my skin. I find that it would set all day without a problem. I also like to take the Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Honey and mix it with the Airspun loose face powder. And I just took a napkin just to remove everything off my lips. I then take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, shade Tan to Deep. I use the second darkest to apply on my forehead just to give me some colors, and then I start using the darkest one on my cheekbones. I then use my finger just to give me a perfect line and use the second darkest from Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit Tan to Deep. I then use my beauty blender to blend it. I use the same spray as earlier and spray it all over just to give me a dewy look, and then I start blending it with a beauty blender to blend out my contour and concealer together. And again, I use the palette and use the second darkest to give me some color in my eyes. I then use the Mellow Brow Definer in the shade Chocolate to fill in any empty spaces. I then spray the Urban Decay Slick Makeup Setting Spray. After, I put my Grande Mascara. And here we are, no mascara and mascara. Also, behind all of this, I was listening to music, so don't mind that. And my favorite, the Glossier Lip Gloss. And for highlight, I use the Cover FX Glitter Drop in the shade Nova. I always put 3 dots and start blending it with my finger. I then put all the extra glitter left on my finger and put it on my nose. I then used the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Purple Dream. And then I blend both of the highlights together with my finger. And that was pretty much it for my everyday makeup routine. I hope you all enjoyed watching, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and for those that haven't, I hope you guys subscribe. I'll see you guys on my next video.